who is a Google Ads specialist. So in this video, I will be explaining you in detail regarding who is a Google Ads specialist and how it can help you. So yeah, stay with me on this. So, who is a Google Ads specialist? So, basically, Google Ads specialist is someone who can plan, set up, and manage your campaigns on Google. Can help your business with Google Ads and track your website traffic. Help you in analytical behavior of your website. Who is coming on your website? How often is coming on your website? Are there any repeat visitors? What is the time? How many spends he or she spends on your website? How many other pages he or she opens? And does he subscribe to your channel or not? And optimize your landing pages for more conversions. You know that a landing page experiences needs to be optimized as well to get more and more conversions and more sales, and work with branding and psychological factors to improve your website presence and can have an impact on users regarding your website. And you know that highly optimized campaigns tend to lower your cost and improve your conversion. So in case if you want to improve on the Google Ads campaign, a Google Ads specialist can definitely help you in lowering your cost, improving your conversions, even increasing your CTR. CTR means click through rate, as well as looking on different factors, as well as on working on your competitors, on seeing out what is working well for your competitors, and then discussing those strategies with you and making a new strategy for your business based on the competitors data. So yeah, Google Ads specialists are definitely beneficial for your business in case if you are serious to run. Even Google recommends to you to hire a Google Ads specialist for your business, because majority and vast variety of people do not know how to run and optimize your Google Ads campaign. And you know that during this process you may lose hundreds and thousands of dollars, and you will have a mindset like, no, Google Ads doesn't work well. But remember one thing, that in case if your competitors are on Google Ads, it means that you need to be on Google Ads. And in case if you are not working well and your competitors are working well, it means that you are wrong somewhere. So instead of spending huge money on trying to figure out where you are losing money, it's a better idea to hire a Google Ads professional who can run and optimize your Google Ads campaign. And yeah, so yeah, I hope you like this a small video regarding who is a Google Ads specialist, because I'm trying to explain. And lastly, one thing I have forgot to tell you, and that is a Google Ads specialist is someone who is a Google Ads certified advertising professional. Google Ads certified advertising professional are those people who have completed their certification in Google Ads after passing a very hard and very tough test, where Google asks different questions based on their experience and data. And some companies eventually become Google partners and advertise and promote their customer websites on Google. So yeah, my company is Google certified. I'm also Facebook certified, and I myself is a Google Ad certified. And to meet Google company guidelines, we have various Google Ad certified advertising professional in our company. So in case if you are looking for a Google Ad specialist to run campaigns on Google, then we are here to help you guys. So yeah, you can work with us, hire us for your online advertising need. We can also help with Facebook as well. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. Guys, I'm working a lot on this channel, so I will be looking forward for your subscription to this channel. And in case if you have any basic questions regarding Google Ads, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box of this video, and we will be happy to answer all those public comments which are being written on the YouTube channel and on our Facebook channel. So yeah, thank you, and bye bye.